How to create a cPanel database. You locate your cPanel, which locate a section called the database. On the database, you see manage my database. Now, when you click manage my database, it will bring you up to this interface. Whenever you are creating a database, three things need to be identified. Number one is the database creation. Number two is the user name. Then number three is how you can connect your username to your database before you mark all privileges. So these are the three most important parts of your database creation. When you get to this first aspect is when they say create a new database. Whenever you buy your hosting, you get an hosting. This one comes by default. You can't change that. It comes by default. Then this other side here, create this one. Whenever you create this one, then they will combine them together as your database. Now let's go. I will just name my own database. This is the name here. I'm giving this one. Whenever it is done, you come here and what, and click create the database. Now they will tell you you have added the database. This is a database that we've been able to do what, to create. Now if you look at this name here, the first name is the name of the cPanel, while the second one is the name of the database we created, and they now join them together. So I will advise that whenever you come to this part of this creation, you do what, you copy the name, because you will need this one when time comes. Now then you what, you go back. Now when you go back, what you need to do is what, is to create users. So you just have to go down to a place where they say database users. Now add new users. Now there is something I want to tell you to make your work more easier, because whenever you are doing this kind of project, you have a lot of things to do. Now to avoid lapses in your work, what will you do? I will advise you, the name you use for your database should be the same name you are using for your username. There is a reason why. Because in building up your project, sometimes whenever you use a different name in them, you might forget what you use in the database, what you use in the username, unless if you can remember, fine. If it is convenient by you, no problem. But me, I would use what I use in the database name. I'll come here again, I'll write database. Easy. Then the password. What will you do? The that database I created, I copied it. I'll come and paste it here, which is then again I'll confirm the password. So that means I have created the user. You click create user. Now, whenever you click create user, it will tell you, do you want to save? I'll say no, thank you. I'm not saving it. Now, the user has been created, which is the second on our list. Now, what needed to be done again is how you can add users to what? To database. That means link your user to your database. Whenever your user is being linked to your database, then you have done what you need to do. So you just go to the linking of our user to your what? Database. Go down to where they say add user to database. You just click the drop down button, locate the database, then the database to the same thing. So you add it. Now, when you are adding these things together, it will take you to where it will tell you all privileges. I would advise, don't mark one of them after the other. Just go and do what? Mark all the privileges. Now, when you mark all the privileges, then you make changes. Now, with this, they will tell you you have done the creation, and then you go back. Now, when you go back, how would you know if the database and the users you create are intact? You now come to this place. Now, this is the database, and then this is the users. All of them, they do what? They appeared here. That is how you can create a cPanel database. So, join me in our next class. Do well to like, follow, and to share this content. Thank you.